If you use Firefox Mozilla browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to enhance your Firefox security in order to be more protected when you are using your Firefox to browse on internet. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is open up your Firefox, just like what you see right here. Having opened up your Firefox browser, next thing you need to do is come to the top right here, click on this three slider, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you navigate to settings. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to more from Mozilla. Then take you right here. Simply scroll down. Then right here where you have get alert when your data has been in a breach. So what you need to do here is to simply click on get monitor. And it will take you right here. Find where your private info is exposed and take it back. We can scan data breach to see if your data has been leaked and give you steps to fix it. So what you need to do right, it is a free to use. So what you need to do right here is to simply enter your email. You can see example right here. Enter your email address to check for data breach and expose. So for you to do that, simply enter your email address. I'm going to use this particular Firefox email address. Then after you enter your email address, next thing you need to do is to click on get scan free. Right. So then it's going to take you right here. Simply scroll down and then you can simply continue with your Google account. So I'm going to simply hit on my Google account to continue. I'm going to select the Google account right here. Then I'm going to simply click on continue. So it's as simple as that. So you can see the report has been generated right here. No expose found. But if your mail has been compromised on internet, you are going to see the report right here. So it's going to be email addresses, phone number, and other info. So everything is going to be present in data form right here. You can scroll down and read the detail, company, data found, and status. View all websites where your info is exposed. So this is where you will see every website where your data has been exposed across the internet. Then here, from there, you can simply take a proper action. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enhance your Firefox security and how to check for any data breach for your Firefox browsing safety. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.